Once upon a time in the colorful town of Creatopia, there lived three best friends, Ruby the rabbit, Benny the bear, and Lily the lamb. Every day after school, they gathered at their secret clubhouse to embark on exciting adventures. One day, while exploring the woods near their clubhouse, the friends stumbled upon a hidden cave. Inside, they found a dusty old treasure map. Excited by the prospect of a real treasure hunt, they decided to follow the map's clues. Their journey led them through dense forests, across sparkling streams, and up towering mountains. Along the way, they encountered challenges that tested their courage and friendship. But with Ruby's speed, Benny's strength, and Lily's kindness, they overcame every obstacle.
Finally, they reached a clearing where a chest lay buried beneath a rainbow, with trembling paws and hooves. They dug it up and opened it, revealing a trove of shiny gems and sparkling coins. As they celebrated their discovery, they realized that the greatest treasure of all was the bond they shared and the memories they created together with hearts full of joy. They returned to Creatopia, ready for their next adventure.